Hey guys! Summer has asked me to show you some of my quick hairstyles. If you're anything like me and you'd rather hit your snooze button versus the gym in the morning, follow along and I will show you some simple hair tricks in under 5 minutes. Okay, the first one I'm going to show you is really easy. I use just these little rubber bands, and I also have a teasing comb. I'm just going to do a little teasing in the back. Only thing I've done so far is I brushed my hair this morning. So my hair was curled 2 days ago, so it does have a little body to it, but it also works well if your hair just, was air dried or you had just blow dried it. Okay, I just put a little volume in. You can't really tell because my roots are kind of dark, but anyways, you don't have to do that either if you don't like that. I like to do this one. I'm going to show you just one, but you can also part your hair and do 2 of what I'm about to show you. But I'm going to do just one just so it's quicker. So take my hair. I recently got bangs, so I'm going to leave some of that stuff out. If you don't have bangs but you want a few wispies, you can pull that out when you're done. These little back combing things are great for that with this pointy end. I will show you that here in just a moment. So my hair all comes to the side. Okay, and I got a kind of a looser pony to the side. Okay, I'm going to separate it about in the center as good as I can get, and I'm going to flip through. I grew up calling these topsy-turvies. I don't know what they're actually called, but that's what I call them. Okay, I'm going to get more of these little rubber bands ready to go for me. They're just the clear ones. You can use colored ones. Whatever you have would work great. Longer the hair, the more you need. Okay, grab another one. Here's my finger, maybe like 2 inches, 2.5 inches. You can play around with it, get them as close as you like. I like them a little closer because I have layers, and I feel like it helps keep my, my layers from, sometimes when I have braids, like my pieces will come out. So I think this helps. Grab another. And flip another one through. And I'm going to show you when I'm done with this. I wear my hair like this. I'd wear it around, just not adding anything to it. It looks cute if you add a headband. It looks cute if you wear a hat with it. So I will show you guys that here when I am done, which I am almost done. You can go, some people maybe would stop sooner. I kind of like to go all the way down and like this. And my hair is long enough that I don't need to grab anything to secure to keep it all over there. But if your hair was a little shorter and you're worried it's going to fall out, just tuck some bobby pins back there. Okay, so I have recently gotten these bangs, so I am going to pull some wispies out around my face and a little longer stuff too, just like how that looks. And what I'm actually going to do is, okay, this is just a little longer than I want, so I'm going to pull that back, grab a bobby pin, and just tuck that. Okay, my curling iron plugged in. Take it with it. I'm not going to open it. I'm just going to kind of take this longer stuff and do that. So it just kind of stays away, pulls away from my face versus coming in towards my face. I'm going to do the same on the other side. There. Then I'd blow dry it, or not blow dry, I'd hairspray that if that was how I'm going to wear it. But I'm going to quick show you how it looks with